Factory. F-A-C-T-O-R-Y. Factory. Place where goods are manufactured.
They built a new toy factory nearby. They built a new toy factory nearby. She works at the local car factory. She works at the local car factory. The factory closes for the holidays. The factory closes for the holidays. That old factory is now a museum. That old factory is now a museum. The factory runs 24 hours a day. The factory runs 24 hours a day.
This marks the conclusion of this episode. If you enjoyed the content, we kindly invite you to share it with your friends, classmates, or colleagues and consider subscribing to our channel for future video updates. Thank you.